Hello everyone, it's Robert Evans. The camera that I'm using today is the A7R III, but you can do this in all Sony cameras. The tip that I'm going to give you is basically how to set up your folder the way I like to. You don't have to do this, but I'll tell you why. So here we are at the starting, at the very top. I want you to click over one to the second camera, to the third, to the toolbox, and then you push the wheel down, and we need to go over to the second to the last folder. So here we go, this one. And as you see, it says folder name, 1, 2, right here. Now I push the middle button and I push date. It's already set because that's how I have my is date form. You can put it on standard, but the difference between the two of them, if you have it on standard, everything that you shoot will all go into one folder. So when you put the media card in your camera, you'll see all the images in one folder. Now on date form, which is why I like to do that, every folder will have the date that you shot that particular image. So this is helpful for me. Like I love to shoot my RX10 IV, and it's like kind of my everyday walk around camera. And I have it set up this way so that I might not download the car for 2 weeks because I'll walk around the camera. But then every day when I open that media card, each day has those particular images that I shot on it, which is super helpful because I want to know that I shot them on that day. Plus it divides everything up. So it's just a little quick tip. I love to set up my camera with the folder name in date form. So hope that helped. Thanks again for watching. I'm Robert Evans, and this is The Pixel Show.